Big problem has developed 3 million light years away on ET's home world, the Green Planet. ET's friends are in danger because their planet is dying. Remember what ET's friends look like, because it's going to be up to you to help ET find them once we get him home. And there's not a moment to lose, because only ET's magic healing touch can save his friends and bring his planet back to health. ET must go home and overcome. ET. That's right, ET. So why don't you show these people how we're going to get you back to the Green Planet? You and ET will be making your 3 million light year journey on these bikes, but don't worry, you don't have to pedal. But you will need an interplanetary passport. So before you leave with ET, tell your first name to one of our assistants, and they'll give you your pass. Sounds like ET's ready to go. So good luck, everyone. And remember, ET's counting on you, and so am I. It's up to you.
Give your first name to the next team member.
Started something.
When the next team member asks what your name is, please have an answer.
Hey, Dingleberry.
Step all the way to the next room. Those doors will be closing behind you.
No, he's not saying.
I'm not gonna say that. Mr. Mofo.
If you say that, I'm gonna say my thing. They're gonna only ask for it first. Right.
Yes. No, I'm gonna say Pete.
I'm gonna say Peter. Say Bean.
Pete.
Pete. Like Pete, but Pete. Victor. Are you Victor? Victor. So what are you going to say?
Your name?
Pete.
Name?
Jennifer. Ian. Smell that. Smell that air.
Oh, this is going to the Green Planet.
Express here on the left. If you don't have express, to the right. If you have an express pass here on the left side.
Dude, your glasses are so...
Cuts off your circulation.
We got some unauthorized people entering the base. Wait, they got ET. They're getting away. Unit 3, cut them off.
Full straight.
The orange light.
I see them. Come on, let's go.
So now you said some mellow. Hold on to your own. Whoa, get away from the car.
Hold on right there. Whoa!
This is my car.
Got him. Come on,
Whoa, watch it.
Ready? Here we go.
Oh, we're flying. Whee!
This is so cool. Turn on your heart light.
Welcome home. You
Welcome home.
Mad dog.
You have saved our planet. Come, celebrate with us.
Scary looking.
Oh, it's like it's a tiny world.
E.T.'s dancing. Dance, E.T. Dance, E.T. Dance. Baby E.T.'s. E.T.'s busy. He's creating babies.
Wet.
God, look at these little baby E.T.'s.
They're so cute.
The little baby E.T.'s everywhere. Man, E.T.'s busy.
Goodbye, Noah. Friend, Lisa, White,
Pete.
Say that? I didn't hear my name.
I did. Pete. I heard Peter.
Attention, please remain seated, keeping your hands and feet inside the ride vehicle.
Give her time and grab her and life back over here.